Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to see who shared your Instagram reels, right? So the first of all, you have to just go to Android, that is basically Play Store here. If you're using iPhone, then you can just go to the App Store, and in the search bar here you have to just look for Instagram. Make sure that your Instagram is updated right now. So if you see in the place of open update option, then update your Instagram right now. Then just go and click open, and here in the bottom right side corner you will see a profile icon. So let's say that this is my reel and I want to see that who liked my reel as well as who shared my reel. Then here you can see you have to view the view post, right? If you're not able to find the option of view post, then you have to just go and click here anywhere in the bottom right side, click on the three dots and click on view insight, and then it will just load for a few seconds. It will give you all insight about this reel. For example, how many plays, how many likes, comments, as well as share, and who saved your Instagram reel. So as of current right now, you won't be able to see who shared your Instagram reel. Basically, you can see that how many people have shared you, but you can't see directly their profile because this is a breach of privacy, right? You can see that who liked your post, but you can't see that who shared your Instagram reels, right? But still, if you want to go for it, you can just go to the help center of your Instagram, and you can just ask them, and they will let you know that if this information is available for you or not. So this is it, guys. I hope you found this video this is it, guys. If you found this video very useful, make sure to like this video, subscribe.